Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield REDSEC gamepad or controller not working issue. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your system once. So for that, click on the Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. Now after restarting, check if the problem is resolved and gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller driver. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once it is updated, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable and disable Steam input. So for that, launch Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under controller, here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back and under controller here you have to select disable Steam input and then check if this helps to fix the issue. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files are verified, check if the issue is fixed. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and see if it's working. Wherever you can see the play option, here you will find an update option if any update is available. So simply click on update option, and after updating, check if the problem is resolved. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates, and here you have to click on check for updates option, and this will check if any update is available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, go through the link provided in the description, or you can also search for DS4 Windows tool. Now after the website opens, here you need to click on download option. This will take you to the next page. Here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now after downloading the DS4 Windows tool, install it and then launch a Battlefield REDSEC game and check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. Hopefully these methods will surely help to fix gamepad or controller not working issue on Battlefield REDSEC game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.